Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Get Emails for coaching. Instead of investing thousands on PPC ads on Facebook and Google, you can instead leverage your existing website visitors and reach out to them with targeted and personalized messaging. In fact, it can be 80% less expensive to acquire new contacts with Get Emails as compared to getting new contacts from your social media. The main way that Get Emails helps coaches is that it helps them grow their email list. And as a coach, your email list is truly one of your biggest, most important assets. This is the list of people that you can sell to promote your content to get more traffic. It's your loyal audience that shares your content and keeps coming back for more. If you offer any advertising on your blog, Get Emails can also help you make more money from advertising and get new advertising partners. Direct email ads are much more impactful than the basic banner ads that you'd have on your website. Sign up free for Get Emails and lower your cost per lead by 90%. Get a Get Emails account for free today, and you'll start thinking about how you ever survived without them. Connect your anonymous website visitors to real people. Safely retarget them with email through real-time, one-to-one, fully compliant interactions, all the tools you need in one platform without having to duct tape multiple platforms together. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Get Emails and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.